Rejoin the meet if you are not able to listen anything. Rejoin the meet. Go out and then join again.
Ma'am,
Yes, Khanak.
do you know what is the fastest thing in the whole world? Fastest thing.
No, I don't know.
Just tell something. Ma'am, whichever you know, just tell something.
But I don't know. I don't know anything. You tell me now which is the fastest thing.
Light.
Huh?
Light.
Light is the fastest thing. Who told you this?
I watching a video.
You watching the video? How you have watching the video that light is the fastest thing?
Ma'am, do action. Sometime when the class over, that time I was watching that video only.
Okay. Good. If you are watching something which is improving your knowledge, that is very nice.
Sunlight only. Right in chat box. It's to reach the Earth's atmosphere.
Sorry, what, bacha?
Sunlight only takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth's atmosphere.
Wow, very nice. So you are improving your science. I was so not knowing all this thing, huh? Thank you, Khanak, for telling me. You can tell me this knowledge.
So why you coming at me? I just space things, not any other things.
Okay. Yes, Kia, what you want to say, bacha? Kia?
Yeah.
Kia, you want to say something? You are saying something, Kia. Please repeat. Kia?
I want to homework do.
You want to what?
Homework.
Homework, ma'am.
She wants to do homework. We will start right now, Kia. We will finish the worksheet. Okay? But Kia, I can't see you.
That was not issue.
But I can't see you. I want to see you now. So what to do now?
I know.
नहीं सुके हरुत मैम नहीं के तो हंसत जाएगा
Ma'am, your voice is audible now.
I was telling you from last so many times that only Vedika just rejoin the meet. But you are not able to hear me. Even I have typed it in the chat box also. Chalo class, take your Hindi worksheet with you. And we are going to solve the worksheet, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, Khanak.
I forgot to bring the Hindi worksheet.
So what you will do now in the class?
I'll take it out. I'll tell my mama.
The one who has not take out the printout, they can do one thing. They can write in the notebook. The answers they can write in the notebook.
Ma'am, what should I do in this?
We are going to solve the worksheet, bacha. You will write, and the one who don't have the worksheet with you, who has not taken the printout, they can just write in the answers in the notebook. Okay? So we can start with the question 1. चित्र देखकर पहला अक्षर लिखो. Okay? So you have to see the picture and you have to write the first letter of the picture. Okay? So first picture, what is this first picture?
This page, no?
Yes, bacha, you can see the first page. The first page.
Does it Amru?
Yes.
That.
Yes. So da se damru is correct. So write down da se damru. Now, next picture. What is this picture? Yes. Dha se dhafli. Okay. So we'll write dha. Now I'm not going to write the answers because you are going to just copy. We will solve the worksheet, but you will write the vyanjan or svar by yourself. Okay. So da se dhafli.
Tomato.
Yes. Bus. One by one. Okay. So when I will say that you have to give me answer for the next picture, then only you will say. Okay. So first of all, write ta se tomato and then we will move ahead. Da se damru, da se dafli, ta se tomato. Now next picture is cha se chhatri. Write down cha. Vedika, mute your microphone.
Yes.
Now, tell me what is this picture?
Yes,
Yes, you are correct. Yanvi correct. Dha se dhanush. Okay. Dha se dhanush. You are able to write, right? Should I write the answers for you? Yes, it is na se nal. Dha se dhanush. Na se nal. Now, what is the next picture, class? What is this one? Very good. What is this? Cha se chammach. This is cha se chammach. And yes, what is this? Ta se. Very good, Shiven. Ta se tarbuj. Okay. Now here what is written in the question 2? चित्र देखकर सही अक्षर पर चित्र देखकर सही अक्षर पर गोला लगाओ. It means you have to see the picture and what is the starting स्वर और व्यंजन you have to put the circle. Okay. So ये पहला क्या है? So so you will do like this. Okay. Now next picture. Yes, Ruse, Rushi. Yes, ise ik. So baby, ik. Okay, student correct. Ase anar. Now I want others to say the answer. Danish, Arav, Ayash, Shlok. Yes, okay, Nivan, you will tell me the answer. क्या है ये? Just a minute, Kia. Okay, Nivan, tell me what is this? Amse Angur. And this is? Ise Imli, correct. And this one, Nivan? Very good. So, Use Ullu. So, this now question number 2, here we are done. Okay. Ase Am, Ruse Rushi, Ise Badi se Ik, Ase Anar, Ese Ek, Amse Angur, Ise Imli, Use Ullu. Okay. Now, I want Gauri to give me the answer. Gauri. Gauri, are you there? थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज चित्र देखकर पहला अक्षर लिखो. ओके, सो गौरी, are you there, Gauri? Okay, Gauri is not there, and Kia has said the answer that is correct. It is ka se kamal. So you will write ka. Okay, you will write ka. Now, okay, just a minute. Now nobody will say the answer. मैम जिसका नाम लेगी वही सिर्फ आंसर देगा. Okay, so the answer is correct. Kia and Vedika. न से नाक. So न से नाक you have to write. Why I am writing? I am not going to write. Now next answer will be given by Prayag. Prayag, are you there? Pakhi, are you there? Yes, Pakhi, tell me. क्या है ये? Very good.
चरखा.
Yes, so Prayag and Pakhi correct. च से चरखा. So आप लिखेंगे च. Here you have to write ch. Now tell me what is this one? After ch. What is this?
घसगंडी. कैसे चल. कैसे करते.
एक बोलो.
कैसे गंडी.
किया करो. Yes, घ से घंटी. So you will write घ here. घ से घंटी. Now Khanak, you will tell me what is this, Khanak? Khanak.
कैसे गाजर.
Yes, G से गाजर. So everyone write G.
ऐसे आता.
Now next answer will be yes. Shivan, you can tell me what is this? Khanak.
उसे
You have already informed me, Khanak, and I told you have to write the answer in your notebook. So you have to write the answer now in your notebook. Yes, Shivan, answer is correct. A se adrak. A se adrak is correct. Now Shlok, you will tell me what is this Shlok.
इसे इमारत.
Yes, ई से इमारत. तो छोटी ई आएगी या बड़ी ई आएगी?
बड़ी.
पक्का? क्लास एवरीवन, बड़ी. हाँ, बड़ी बड़ी से
इमारत. बड़ी से इमारत.
अभी सच सच बताओ, बड़ी ई से इमारत आता है या छोटी ई से आता है?
छोटी से.
हाँ, so the one who has said that कि बड़ी ई, तो it is wrong. छोटी ई से इमारत आता है. Okay. Now next is umbrella. The answer will be given by Himay. Himay, you will tell me what is the answer. Himay.
बोलो बोलो बोलो. हाँ बोलिए ना. हाँ जोर से बोलो.
छ से छाता.
छ से छाता is correct. Okay. Now next is Het. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is this? What is this?
ऊन.
Use.
ऊन.
Yes, use un. Very good. Now Arav or Ayansh? Who's there? Arav? Are you there?
झंडा.
झ से झंडा. Yes, झ से झंडा is
झंडा.
Yes.
मुझसे तो भी पूछो मैं. क्यों नहीं पूछा?
किया आपने बहुत सारे आंसर दिए. तो अभी आपका टर्न थोड़ी देर बाद. Yes, what is this, Arav?
जो से जहाज.
जो से जहाज. Everyone, it is correct. जो से जहाज.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so जो से जहाज is correct. So झ से झंडा, झ से जहाज. Now what is this? Okay, Gauri, tell me what is this?
उसे उतार.
औ से औजार. Okay, which O will come? बड़ा O और छोटा O?
बड़ा. बड़ा.
Okay, so it is correct. So write down O se औजार. Now next page. Next.
से दूध.
Yes, Shiven, correct. द से दूध. Write down द से दूध. Next is
झारखंड.
yes. पहले है थ से थर्मस.
थ से थर्मामीटर.
हाँ, yes. So this is द से दूध and this is थ से thermometer. Okay. थ से thermometer. And yes, Kia, your answer is correct. What is this? ध से धड़कन.
थ से थटेरा.
Okay. Now, Kia, you will not say answer now. So, th se thethera. Okay, th se thethera. Now, Danish, you will tell me ये क्या है कर रहा है? What is this? What we will write for this? Danish. Danish, are you there? Okay, Nivan, you will tell me. What is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Danish. Okay, Nivan, just a minute. Yes, Danish, tell me.
Which one, ma'am?
This one, this one.
Okay, this one. ये क्या है?
He is finding something, right? तो क्या बोलेंगे?
से ढूंढना.
Yes. Okay, Danish. This is ढ से ढूंढना. ढ से ढूंढना. Now, Paki, again you will tell me, Paki, what is this? Yes, ट से टोपी. Yanvi, you will tell me what is this? Yanvi? Yanvi?
से दूध.
ये क्या है बच्चा? Tell me what is this?
ढ से ढोल.
Yes, Shiven किया correct. This is ढ से ढोल. So write down ढ here.
तो से तबला.
Very good. It is त से तबला. त से तबला. Now ये तो मैम हेल्प नहीं करने वाले हैं. What you have to write, आपको अ से अह तक स्वर लिखने हैं खुद से और then at the end आप मुझे दिखाओगे. Okay? You have to write अ से अहम तक the स्वर. चलो. Yes, Arav. Please mute your microphone, Arav. Done? Who has done? Show me.
Shivan.
Shiven. Just a minute, huh, Shiven. Show me. Okay, Shiven. Good. Good, you have completed fast.
Thank you, ma'am. Mine done, ma'am.
Done. I can't see you, but if you are saying done, so I'm agree on your point. Good, Kia. Others, everyone just completed.
से आम बड़ी छोटी से ईंट
ये छोटी से
छोटी से इमली बड़ी से ईंट उसे उल्लू उसे ऊन ऐसे रील ऐसे अनाक ओ से ओकली ओ से औरत अंग से अंगूर अंग से खाली री से ऋषि.
Very nice. Very nice. Good.
Can I leave?
Hey.
No, Kia, you can't leave. Where you want to go, Kia?
Where you want to go?
I don't want to play.
To play. So after this class, you can play. It is going to be.
Daddy just said
Hey, Laura, कहीं.
Very good, Yanvi. I can see you are done, Yanvi. Good job. Good, Yanvi. Very nice. Okay, who else has completed? Okay, Nivan. Yes, Nivan, sorry. You have completed. Very nice. अभी बस क्लास खत्म हो जाते बैठ ही नहीं सकता ना कोई. Nobody wants to sit in a class after finishing the worksheet, right?
Done.
Who is done? Paki, wait a minute, huh, Paki? Yes, Paki, very nicely written. Good. So, class, the one who has finished, they can leave. Now, happy Kia? The one who has finished this one, I think they can leave the class.
I'm so happy now. I'm so sad, man.
Hey, so sad for what?
You cannot leave. Now I'm sad now.
मैम आपने पहले मना किया तो सैड हो गई.
Now, happy na?
No.
No, not happy?
No.
So, the class is over.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
I'm not happy. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Okay,
class, just a minute. Who has to join the reading class? That is Het, Hriday and Himay. Okay? Het, Hriday and Himay. Bye, the rest of you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bacha. Arav, bye-bye. Danish, bye. Vedika, you are not done?